The Philips Hue Smart LED A19 bulb stands out for its full-spectrum white light, ranging from very warm, candle-like tones to crisp daylight that suits almost any room or activity. Its exceptionally smooth dimming, which can drop to a barely there glow, makes it ideal for late-night winding down or creating a subtle cinema atmosphere. The bulb integrates cleanly with major smart home platforms like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Home, so voice control and automation routines are straightforward to set up. Using the Philips Hue app, you can fine-tune color temperature and brightness for different times of day, which genuinely helps with comfort, focus, and relaxation. Installation is essentially as simple as replacing a standard E26 base bulb, so even first-time smart lighting users can get it running in just a few minutes. With a long rated lifespan and energy-efficient 7.2-watt draw for its brightness level, this bulb is built for long-term, low-maintenance use throughout the home.